Student of class 8. Today we will do exercise of chapter 4, solving tough problems of life. Now here, activity for speaking and listening. Listen and learn. Listen the listening section, and then you have to give the answer. There are 5 questions are there. Actually, this related para here you can check. You can listen to the passage on the digidisc, or your teacher can read the passage from the listening text given on page number 176. One para is given on page number 176. Read the para carefully, try to understand the para, then you have to write answer of it. Who was Tenali Rama? I think everyone you know that by reading it's clear, very clear. Who often sought Tenali Rama's advice and when? Okay. For here in front of the question, write down. Okay. Last question. Sorry. Last question is there. Name the book that carries Tenali Rama's stories and reflect his unique approach to difficult situation and problem. Okay, do it in front of the question. Write the answer in a short way. Next, converse and connect. Read the following conversation and listen to it on the digidisc. Enact with your partner in the class. Actually, there is a conversation between Ravi and Rahul. You have to do same at home. Okay, with the help of any brother, sister. Okay, do it. One will be Ravi and another one will be Rahul. So what is here? Ravi. What is the matter, Rahul? You seem to be very worried. Rahul. Well, I have to give a presentation on the monuments of Delhi in the assembly tomorrow morning. I had prepared it beforehand, but the concluding part was incomplete. While adding more information, my laptop stopped working. There's something wrong with it. Ravi, oh, you could have come to my house, but my internet connection is not working. Rahul, I just don't know what to do. Ravi, don't worry, let us see what we can do to solve the problem. Why don't you go to the cyber cafe in the nearby market? Rahul, I could have done that, but my parents are not at home and I am supposed to go alone to the cyber cafe. I am not, okay? Ravi, in that case, I will go along with you, but let me take my parents' permission. Rahul, okay, thanks, Ravi, for helping me out. Now I will be able to finish my project easily. Ravi, you're welcome, Rahul. Okay, this is the short conversation between Ravi and Rahul. Do it. Performance one will be you will be Ravi, another will be otherwise you will be Rahul. Next will be Ravi. Okay. So speak and express. So speak about the role of communication skills in solving a problem. Here you have to speak about any problem that you have solved that about. Okay. So do it by pronunciation practice. Here is pronunciation of some words. Remuneration, congratulations, village, alternative, cadet, mixed, basket, and next one, reference. Now punctuation you understand? Punctuation means capital letter, full stop, question mark, comma, dot comma, colon, semicolon, etc. In it here, edit the following passage, use capital letters, add punctuation marks, and correct grammatical errors as you write the passage in your notebook. Here check. Internet search giant Google, which initially set shop in a garage, but okay, 3 lines are there, so do it in the book, not in copy. Write well you have to do in copy, fair copy. First is there. Did you ever find yourself in a situation when you found it's difficult to decide the path you should take? How did you solve the dilemma? Write a diary entry about it. You have to write what diary entry. Everyone you have, I think you have already faced a situation. Then which path now you suppose that you are totally confused that which path you have to take. Okay. related to your life, personal life, education life, etc. So decide it, and how you have solved the problem, that you have to write in a diary. Diary entry, you know that how to write. Okay. Now section B. Write a letter to your friend telling him her about the various steps for solving tough problems of life. Okay. So here you have to write a letter to your friend, and you have to write the various steps for solving tough problems. With the help of this chapter, you can point out any 3 points you can write. Okay, then complete. And now dictionary skill. Dictionary skill, there are some words here. Refer to a dictionary and find out the difference between the following pairs of words. You have to write its meaning in front of it, column given. You have to write it. Do it with the help of dictionary. Today and tomorrow you have time, and then day after tomorrow I will, so you have to send it in the group. So here some word: scribble, scratch, lose, hang, suspend. Okay, like the words are there. 5 words are there. Okay. So now next is what? Project work. Project work, what is here? Work with your partner. Think about your parents, teacher, friends who can help you solve all kinds of problem. Write their names also given. Also give reasons why they are capable of doing so. Here project work you have to do. Okay. Project work, this time not I will give you project work. I will give you extra time. Okay. Don't do this time. Now next, values and life. There is a good thought about who said here, John F. Kennedy. First is that our problems are man-made, therefore they may be solved by man, and man can be as big as he wants. No problem of human destiny is beyond human beings. Okay, there is a good thought said by John F. Kennedy. So section B, what would you do if you were confronted with a formidable problem in life? Tick your choice. There are 3 options. You are suffering any problem in your life, so there are 3 options. Which option you will tick? That will be the best answer according to you. 3 options is there. Tick. You have to tick it. Okay. Do it today, and after today and tomorrow we have time to do. Day after tomorrow I will check. You have to send in the group. Okay. Thank you for doing.